And, wow. Ang dami naman regalo.
Just yung ano mo,
Serious?
camera mo. Picture mo nga siyang camera mo. Andun.
What's this? Aww, sweet naman. This is cute. Honey, come here.
Honey, go over there.
Come here. Aww.
Go sit next to her.
So cute.
Honey, jump. Honey, do this.
Go sing pula-pula.
Right? That's too much, ah.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, MJ. Of course. So, this is from, I think this is from Rosie. Oh, yeah. From Rosie Marley. Rosie.
What is it?
Wow. Big
Lois.
Mary Kay. Wait.
Mary Kay, that's from Jill.
Yeah.
Jill. Grabe ka naman. Mamaya na to. Ito. Mamaya na to.
This is from Jackie.
Asan na yung habi mo?
Wow.
Moises! Tawagan mo si Moises.
Moises.
Moist. It's moist.
Come here.
Ano yan?
Oh, this is diffuser. Favorite tree. Ay, salamat. Buti na hindi ako bumili. Mali. Thank you. Okay,
Ang
goodbye.
pula-pula.
Kailangan mo makalimutan yung kantang yun.
Hindi makalimutan ni Robby.
Oh, this is from Hi, wow! Thank you!
Paggiling-giling.
Hindi ako dyan ngayon. Okay, gusto ko na ba ito?
Mamaya na yan. Ano mo na.
I think I know!
Isusukat mo yan naman.
X-rated yung kay Robby eh.
From me.
Oh, this is from Jazz. Wow! Naughty ka ba? Thank you.
Oh, I like that.
May card dyan sa loob.
Ay, meron.
Uy, may gift certificate pa.
Nasahin ko.
Hindi na binasa eh. Parang yung mga anak ko eh. Hindi na binabasa yung card eh.
Basta yung regalo lang yun. No?
Happy birthday! Ay, another birthday. May you live to be 100 years. My God!
Parusa ka naman.
Pasensya na ako. With an extra year to
Nandun ka na sa J10B.
With one extra year to repent. My God, happy birthday. Just caroling party. My God!
Di bale. Keep alone ka.
Moises, come here.
Sit beside me.
Room yan.
Go sit over here.
Hi!
Happy birthday.
Okay.
Bye!
Bye.
Moises, go sit next to her.
Bye. Bye. But it's not over yet. You gotta sit next to her. What happened?
I know.
She's gonna try something else for you.
This one is from...
Yan ba yung galing sa'yo? Hindi, ito.
Is that from Jill?
Yes, this is from Jill.
Dami pa bango ah.
Oh.
You.
That's like...
Do I
We're not
stink?
telling you, but
Do
you know.
I stink? Give me perfume. This one,
Ang kapal.
like, is my skin really that dry? Gosh.
Mamaya sabon. Sabon shampoo.
Joke. Okay.
Oh my
Oh
God.
my God.
That one you gotta try it on.
Yeah, Loisa, happy birthday. You should wear this one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah! Ang pala! There's a G-string.
Let me take a picture. Oh, okay.
Okay, try it on now. It's in the back, the G-string. It's attached on the back. No, on the back of the thing.
Where? Oh, here. Thank you.
Wear it now.
That's what she wanted me to open gifts so we can...
So we can see. Try it on.
Thank you. Thanks for coming. yummy. Here, eat some more. Come on. Bring food.
Okay, okay.
Magtatago na lang ako.
Who's next?